Donnie Adams was bitten on the thigh while trying to stop his family from fighting. Shockingly, he contracted a flesh-eating bacteria from the bite, leading to an infection that required doctors to remove a chunk of his thigh. The 52-year-old Florida resident attended a family reunion in February 2023 where the altercation took place. Despite receiving antibiotics and a tetanus shot, Donnie's thigh swelled and turned red 3 days later, requiring urgent surgery. The diagnosis revealed that he had contracted necrotizing fasciitis, a rare and dangerous infection that destroys muscle tissue and can lead to death.